And welcome. That breaking news in Sacramento County. The health services director who's overseeing the county's coronavirus pandemic is now resigning.
CBS 13's Renee Santos spoke to Dr. Peter Beilenson minutes ago, and she has more on this big announcement. Renee.
Yeah, Dr. Peter Beilenson says that he is resigning over personal reasons. He says that his family is in the process of moving across the state. Now, Dr. Beilenson has been the director of health services for the county, currently working on the COVID-19 crisis. This all started way back in March. He says him leaving the county has to do with personal matters, and he is the latest health official across the area to leave their positions in the middle of a pandemic. We saw this happen in other counties in our area. I just spoke to Dr. Peter Beilenson. Here's more on why he's resigning.
We unfortunately had a couple of family emergencies that require us to move back to Baltimore. So we're going to be doing that in the next couple, 2.5 weeks. And I'm quite confident that there'll be a good person to follow up, and then hopefully be in an advisory capacity for a couple months in the meanwhile.
Now, Dr. Beilenson also talked about the ongoing efforts to combat the coronavirus here in the county. He says that starting next week, the county will be talking about stepping up enforcement, specifically for gatherings. He also talked about the work being done right now to bring in those vaccines once they do arrive within the coming weeks. His last day here in the county will be in the next 2 weeks. Back to you guys.
Yeah, good job getting a response so quickly. And we want to point out this comes on the heels of some controversial comments the doctor made recently regarding the Asian American community. So again, Dr. B is resigning effective later this month.